morning, friends. Welcome to Go Online Trainings.com. This is Bhaskar Jogi. I wanted to share a good news. Many people are saying recession is going on, no calls are there. But always I remember recession is temporary, skills are permanent, knowledge is power, right? I told him the same thing to Akshay when he called. He's actually from Pune, a businessman. He never worked into any IT company. It does not have any exposure to corporate world at all. So completely zero knowledge. The same guy called me just 3 months back and said, I got your name from YouTube and I wanted to, do some, the training with you. And I had seen a lot of success stories in your youtube.com. So I wanted to get into IT sector. Is there any possibility? Because I am 36 or 37 years old guy and I am running my own family business, bakery business I'm running. I don't have any knowledge about IT industry. I'm completely non-technical person. How do I get into IT? Is there any possibility to get into IT? Everybody is saying that there's a recession. So I told him that no worries about the recession, right? Whether the recession is there or not, you cannot control because it is outside of you. So whatever you can control, that you need to control. So then he told, sir, I don't have any knowledge in IT industry because completely from, non-IT background. Is there anything I can learn or I can pick it up? So just 3 months back, he called me. Then I told him that there is a couple of courses that you can enroll and we will give you very, very basic knowledge to advanced knowledge and we will give you proper mentoring. So, and the other day, he was completely, definitely everybody will have doubts, right? So Bhaskar sir is saying a lot of things, but in the real life, will it happen? So he will have that doubt. Anybody, not only he, anybody will have the same doubts and everything. With that, in mind, he took the, the course and he started the journey and he took videos, I think, because did you attend the live classes, Akshay?
Video classes I have taken.
Because video classes, because he has to run his business. So for his bread and butter, he's running a bakery shop in the Pune and he has to run his business. Morning 6 o'clock is to get up and go to the, the shop and, take care of his activities. Come back and open the videos because non-IT background, understanding, the IT knowledge will be difficult. But I told him that, this is where you will be able to get very, very basic knowledge and from zero to, advanced level of concept, from very, very basic level to advanced level, we are going to be teaching. So I told, so if you learn only one skill, that will be useless because many people think that if I learn Power BI, can I get a job? If I learn only this one skill, can I get a job? Or if I learn, I know Excel, with the Excel, if I learn, Power BI, can I get a job? The answer is no, right? So if you don't have the proper mentoring, or if you don't have the proper gurus, or if you don't have, proper knowledge, you think that if I learn one course, you will get a job. I told him it is not one course, it is a combination of courses. I told him clearly, and he was telling the other day, sir, you told me not only Power BI, SSIS is also important, SQL is also important. And he was telling me, sir, I got many calls, not because of Power BI, not because of SSIS, not because of SQL, because of combinations. Because of combinations, I got a lot of calls. Many people even today asking SQL SSIS combination along with the Power BI, and no calls were there. People were saying no calls were there, but last 1 week, today is October 31st, 2003, we are recording this. And many calls, sir, I couldn't answer the calls. One day, I think he received approximately 15 calls morning to evening. And he has also attended a lot of interviews. So he just 10 days back only applied, he put the CV into the portal. I have prepared the CV for him and the complete interview questions and everything I shared with him. And 4 years of experience he put, and at the age of 36, and is able to crack lot of, interviews. I told him, how did you prepare? Then he told me, sir, completely our syllabus I have prepared, completely our projects I have prepared, and 100% of the interview questions came from your syllabus, your topics, your knowledge. I did not prepare anything. And everything from whatever you taught in SQL, whatever you taught in SSIS, whatever you taught in Power BI, and that is what I have learned, and the same thing I have prepared. And he told me one interesting fact, sir, daily 8 to 10 hours I sat, because I cannot fail here, because I am already, in the mid age. 36 is not a small age, right? Mid age, I have to settle down. So whether it is a recession, no recession, nobody can stop me. I have to get into IT and RSC, because the goal and the target is very, very high. So somewhere you need to fight with that goal, fight for the goal. And he has, fought with that. And today he's with us. And congratulations, Akshay. I still remember the way you have succeeded within
Thank
3 months.
you.
Daily 8 hours of efforts you put. You have learned SQL Server, SSIS, Power BI, data warehousing, plus all
Correct.
the projects, whatever I told into practice, end-to-end project, and everything he practiced it. And 10 days back, he came to me, sir, I wanted to have a CV. And we prepared the CV, put together, and sent him the CV, then uploaded the CV. Within 1 week, he got lot many calls, because a lot of calls are there today. Remember me, lot of calls are there today. Calls have been increased. Clear? Calls have been increased. Now he got the calls. First interview call itself, he cracked it. And lot of other, companies are approaching, like Accenture, HCL Technologies. Lot of other companies also approaching him for the interview schedules and everything. And if he says yes, he will be able to get multiple interviews. He can easily crack it. Now I wanted to share your experience about art training first, and
Yes.
mentoring, art training. Then how did you achieve this?